Morning guys, Rich here for Advanced in Car. Today I've fitted Andriod Auto in this awesome little M2 competition. Cracking bit of car this is. My eyes, kind of the last of the good looking BMWs. Not a big fan of all the newer ones and stuff, but this is awesome. It's small, it's a proper little beast, this thing. Sounds amazing. And now we've modernised it and just giving it that extra connectivity that everyone wants now, you know, with use of your phone and music and things like that. So what we'll do is, because we've done loads of CarPlay stuff, because that's what everyone seems to have the most of, we'll jump in, show the Andriod Auto working, and just give you a little run through of what it does and everything like that, just so you've got more of an idea really. So let's go and have a look. Right, so not a lot to see in the car, admittedly, because obviously the module's all tucked away and everything's routed in behind the scenes, you know, from the main drive up to the screen and then to the module itself. The only thing you can, I suppose, see is in the glove box, I fitted a little USB that can be used for if you wanted to, you know, you're going on a longer journey and you're using your Andriod Auto, your CarPlay, and you want the phone to charge still, you can plug it into there. Obviously just chuck the phone in the glove box, you don't need it anyway, and then it's going to charge. It's not going to be dead by the time you get to wherever it is you're going. But for general use, it works exactly the same as the normal CarPlay units. It connects through Bluetooth first and then switches over to Wi-Fi. So let's chuck the ignition on, get everything booting up. Now, one thing that we did have to do with this car was it didn't have the auxiliary function enabled already. So in the media button, when you select through for what you want to listen to, your radio or Bluetooth and things like that, it didn't have that auxiliary option there. So we've plugged the car in, gone online, and we've enabled that feature because the module works through the auxiliary of the car. So the phone that I've got, little Android phone we've got, is now linked up automatically, and we've now got Andriod Auto on the screen. Now Andriod Auto works slightly differently to CarPlay. With CarPlay you get that standard, you know, basically the main screen of your phone with all your tiles on. Andriod Auto, what it does is we've got the what's playing on the left hand side over here. We've then got maps in the middle, and then we've got a little kind of search bar over on the right here. So with the iDrive toggle, obviously you can twist it to cycle through things, or if you've got the kind of higher level of the iDrive system, you can flick it and toggle it across. So at the moment we're on the search bar of maps. If I flick it across, it then jumps straight over to the music, or I can go straight across over to the main menu. So I'm going to go to the main menu of Andriod Auto. So being Android, you have things like YouTube Music. So if you've got that set up, you can then use that and listen to music that way. We've got Spotify. Oh, flipped it too far. So we can go into Spotify, and you know, you can go into your actual Spotify menus and things and listen to your playlists or certain albums and things. And then using the iDrive, you can just press back, and that takes you back through to your main menu if you want to. Yeah, so it works. It's very similar to CarPlay in how it works. You know, selecting the apps, and only certain apps will work that you're allowed to use while you're driving, obviously for obvious reasons. If we go to maps, we get a nice, decent, clear view of everything. But like I said before, we've still got the side menu here, like a quick menu, and we've still got our music on this side. Now, obviously, we had to make sure that the auxiliary option was enabled on this car, because that's how the sound comes through. So you can obviously listen to the radio like normal and still use your Andriod Auto, but if you want to listen to the music through your Andriod Auto, you have to make sure that that auxiliary is selected. So I can show you that now. If we press and hold menu on the iDrive to come out of, we then press media, And then there we go, we've got aux there. So we go across, and here we go. So we've got the different, you know, DAB, music collection and things like that. As long as aux is selected, then that's going to play the Android Auto music or your CarPlay music. Press and hold menu again, takes us back into Android Auto. So that's about it really. Android Auto yes, works well. Works as well as CarPlay, to be fair. It's nice, slick, clean, real nice layout on the screen here, and it's all really, it's quite intuitive, and it's just a case of getting used to how it works and learning it. With all these Bimatech kits, they integrate really nicely into BMWs, they fit really nicely, and they work really cleanly and really nicely. You just have to get used to with some of the little bits and pieces, maybe like the volume difference between the Android Auto and normal radio switch. If you're switching between those, you might have to just watch that volume maybe. But other than that, cracking bits of kit, which is why we're starting to fit more and more of them. So yeah, that's it really. If you've got a BMW like this and you want to update it, make it just that bit better, because it's already a cracking car, and just update it and you can connect your phone to it better and just use everything a bit better, then get in touch really. Get on the website, get in touch, give us a call, come and see us, and have a hunt through a few more of the YouTube videos we've done. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, all things like that, and we'll see you again soon.